Hi, my name is Buddhi Wilcox. I'm from New Zealand, a small town called Whangarei. I've been here for 12 days, 14 days actually, and I'm very happy. I've got a new smile and I've got a whole new set of teeth really. So I've had 3 root canals done and 28 crowns, and experienced very little pain or discomfort. All the doctors here have been very, very caring, very personal, very professional, and if you're having any apprehensions about coming to Signature Smiles for any dental work, you can rest assured that you're in very, very good hands. All the doctors here know what they're doing, and I believe that I've had a far better job done than I would have ever have got back in New Zealand. And so I have no problems at all recommending Signature Smiles in Mumbai for anyone to come and get their dental work sorted out. Very personal is the main thing, very caring, and every step of the way, right from reception right through to the drivers, the doctors, all the staff, they really take a personal interest in you and your dental problems, and they'll sort them out, and they'll do it all in good time. And as we know, it will be cheaper than in your home country. So yeah, no problems with at all. I don't have any reservations in recommending Signature Smiles.